It's a Venn diagram. The E here means that's a universal set. It says 8 people. It says 80 people have got to go into this altogether. And it gives you various statements here, and then normally they go in order, but you can't always. So we've got 80 people asked if they watch football or rugby. 29 said they watch football but not rugby. So 29 are in the football circle but not in the rugby. That's good. So that's done for me. 65 said they watch football. Well, football's I'll draw a line around it. Football is this red circle, so we've got to get 65 in there. We've got 29 already, so I need to put a little bit more in there. So I've got to do 65, take away 29. You got a calculator anyhow, but that is 36. So it's got to be 36 people there. And I've done that statement. I quite like ticking them to see when I've done them. 47 say they watch rugby. Well, in the rugby, if I do the rugby in green, I've already got 36 in that circle. There's 36 there, and I've got to end up getting myself 47 in there, so that will be 11 there. So I've done that one. I've got to complete it. There's a space here, and they don't always give you that space, but they have in this instance. I'll do it in purple. The total number must add up to 80. So we've got, well, we know we've done this bit already. So this bit here, we've got 65. We've got 65, 66, 76. So we've got 76 here so far. I need 80, so that's going to have to be 4. So I've completed it. I've taken my time. Just check it does add up to 80. It does. What percentage of the people do not watch rugby or football? Well, there's 4 people. Only those 4. Everyone else watches one or other of them, or both. So it's 4 out of how many altogether? 80. And if I could put 4/80ths down there, that would give me one mark. They asked me for the percentage, so I've got to change that fraction into percentage. And there's different ways of doing it, but the easiest one with calculator paper is you're going to times the fraction by 100%, and that will give you the answer in 100%. So that is that comes up as 5%. If in a non-calculator paper, we probably would have tried to get the bottom of that fraction so it was over 100. To do that, you can't. Well, it's difficult to know what you have to times by. But if I divided top and bottom by 4, for example, so if I divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4, that would give me 1 over 20, and then I can see what I'd need to do. I'd need to times that by 5, and therefore I have to times top by 5, and that would be 5/100ths, which is 5%. So non-calculator paper, something like this, calculator paper, just do the fraction times by 100%. That's done.